It's a one-year technical diploma. It's a really good hands-on program. The students learn how to frame, insulate, roof, install siding, a deck, do all the trim work on the inside, so cabinetry, countertops, all the millwork on the doors and windows, hardware. And there's also some classroom portion to it too. So there's estimating, print reading, planning, scheduling, along with the hands-on work. Every year we build a house right in River Falls, and it goes on the market when we're done, so it's a regular industry spec house where the students get to do all the work and kind of see the whole process from start to finish.
It's phenomenal to not only learn something in the classroom, but to apply it out in the real world. How does this actually work? How does it actually come together?
We graduate and then you have a job maybe that next following week already, because there's so many people looking for this kind of work. It pays well and its benefits are nice, and it's just very rewarding.
And we have employers coming to us and looking to hire our students all the way from Hugo, Minnesota to the Twin Cities area, as far north as New Richmond, and then as far south as Ellsworth, Pepin area. Most of our students go out and work in the industry as a carpenter, but a lot of them also go to work with companies like lumberyards, so they're working as estimators, where they're drafting or designing plans or estimating for people.
My experience with instructors here has been beyond anything that I've ever experienced.
There's nothing better than being able to show somebody how to do something and then step back and watch them learn and make mistakes and learn from those mistakes and watch them build it themselves.
Beyond the curriculum, we learned a lot about life, what employers are looking for, how to become a good employee, how to continuously learn even after you get out of school.
It's not just the technical skills that employers are looking for, that people are looking for, but really making people better for the community. They're going to be able to support themselves and their families and have a better overall life after coming through our program.